Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can view our Discord backup codes. So if you would like to view the backup codes of your Discord account, you're going to have to launch your Discord app. And in here, make sure that you are logged into your specific Discord account. Tap onto your profile, and in here, tap on your icon on your top right. If you would like to access your backup codes, you're going to have to tap on Account under Account Settings. Now at the section, scroll below, and under how you sign in into your account, you will see view backup codes. Backup codes could be very private, so make sure that you do not share that with anybody. If you would like to view it, first of all, you're going to have to simply type in your password. For security purposes, you might not be able to see that screen of mine, but if you type in your password, you're going to have to simply, confirm your action, and then you will be able to see all the backup codes. Make sure that you save your codes, and when you do not remember your password, you could use each of the backup codes each time. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.